How to remove camera roll access from Snapchat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to revoke Snapchat's permission to view your photos and videos. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Apps. From there, tap on Snapchat from the list. At this point, tap on Permissions. In the next step, tap on Photos and Videos, sometimes labeled Storage. Following this, you'll see options like Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow. Once done, select Don't allow to fully remove camera roll access. From here, open Snapchat to confirm the app can no longer access your photos or videos. At this stage, if you still want to send specific photos occasionally, choose the middle option instead, which asks for access only where needed. Keep in mind, removing this permission means you won't be able to send saved photos or videos directly from your gallery within Snapchat until access is granted again. Finally, repeat these steps anytime you want to change this permission back. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove camera roll access from Snapchat on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.